I'm going to show you how you can quickly change your name that's displayed for Airdrop on your iPhone. This is something that you'll want to do if you plan on using Airdrop more and you use a basic description for your iPhone name right now. Which leads to the second part. By changing your Airdrop name, you're actually going to be changing the name of your iPhone itself, so just keep that in mind. To get started, find and then open the Settings app on your home screen. Inside of here, scroll down a bit and then find and tap General. At the top inside of the General settings, choose About. Next inside of here at the top, you'll see Name followed by the current name of your iPhone. Select that. You can then change the name of your iPhone or your iPad to whatever you want your name to be displayed as when you're using Airdrop to share files. When you're done changing your name to what you want it to be shown as, hit Done. It may take a minute for your iPhone to start broadcasting the new name, but after that, you'll see the new one and anybody that you're using Airdrop with will see it too. If you're having an issue where your name does not update to others who are in your contacts, it's because of your name inside of the Contacts app. So, if you want to change your contact name, close Settings, and then find and choose Contacts from your home screen. At the top inside of here, you'll see your name. Choose that. You can then tap Edit on the top right inside of here, and then in the top field, you can change your contact name. When you're finished, choose Done, and you can then close the Contacts app. This will now show the new name when you share to others who add you to their contacts. And one last place you can try if it still isn't updating your name for you is changing your iCloud name. To do this, head back into the Settings app. At the top inside of here, tap your name in the iCloud section. Next, select Personal Information, and then the first option here at the top, which is going to be Name. Change your name inside of here to whatever you want it to be displayed as, and when you're finished, hit Done. After that, it'll then change your iCloud name and you'll be done. And that's how you change your displayed name when you're using Airdrop on an iPhone, and a couple of other places to try if you run into any issues.